Go.
All right. Good morning, folks. This is Mike Yazina with my sidekick Phil Castillo, and we're here in St. Augustine, Florida, oldest city in the United States. If you're not, I know I've got followers from all over the world actually, and I don't know if they realize that St. Augustine is the oldest continuous settlement established in 1565. Enough of that. What I want to do today, I'm going to show you something. This came out just right because I run out of line. You've heard me talk about the cast, about a net being a continuous circle. There's no seams to come loose. There's no splices. The only thing you do when you run out of line is you cut out and you tie back in with another needle. And it just happened just right because I can show you this today because I've run out of line. And you know now why I like the big needles, because you're looking at this pushing 3 feet, and this is the fourth needle of line covering that much. So that's what I like. It's not the only way to do it, believe me, because I'm probably one of the few that uses a long needle, and that needle's probably 14, 15 inches. But anyway, what I want to show you is I'm out of line, so I'm going to take and pull it off of the needle. And what I'm going to do here is show you how I tie back in. And then I'll continue with what I want to. Oh, can you see that, Phil?
Yeah, hold on.
See what I'm showing them? This is where the line is that
Yep.
I've just finished using. I'm going to come right in beside this, in between, just like I was putting in a winding. I'm going to come right in between here, like so. All right, and I'm going to catch the line that was off of the other needle full. And I'm going to, where's my, there we are. And what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you why I do this, I'm going to leave just a little line here. All right, I'm going to throw a single loop, and I'm going to come down and tie a single knot. That's all there is to it right there. See, I pull it really good and tight. Now, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to leave about 3 or 4 inches down, 3 or 4 inches. Make damn sure you don't cut your line. When you make sure you grab the right ones. And yeah, I'm going to cut this off like that. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do any knitting because I want to go into my other agenda, but I wanted to show you this because this is going to it's going to take right back off. That's a needle, and you can tell this was my first. This is the 10th row, by the way, off of that needle. As it gets further and further around, I'm going to take my. You heard me talk about this many times about the polish to seal that knot where it'll never, ever come loose. So that's what I said about you're not going to have any seams or splices, anything that's going to come loose. I'm going to coat that really good like this. Okay. My trusty Miracle nail hardener. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just let it sit there and dry. And we're going to be done with that for a while. Now what I want to talk to you about today was, other than I wanted to show you that, and the reason I leave them little tails on it, I didn't tell you, the reason I do that, it's kind of a marker. Really, it's about halfway around that row is where I run out of line. So when I come back around and start knitting another row, when I get to that point, so wow, I'm halfway. It just gives you a little reminder of how you doing. Is it necessary? No, just what I do. You could take and after that sets, don't cut that off until you coat it. You don't want that because that knot can come loose. If you cut it off right up close there right away, it is subject to come loose on you, but it will not. When you put that fingernail polish on, whatever you use, any kind of fingernail polish, when it hardens, it's there. It's never going to come loose. Okay, what I want to talk to you about today was we've reached a milestone, and I'm kind of tickled about that. I got a thing from YouTube congratulating us for reaching a 1,000 followers. That's pretty good for a little mom and pop thing like we are. That we have 1,000 people that follow us. So that's really good. And we get, it's another fascinating thing I like about doing this. It's rewarding because you hear from people all over the world, and I'm really surprised. I mean, I've gotten phone calls from Nigeria. Got a guy in Nigeria I've been trying to help. He can't buy bonded nylon there. She said you can forget ever finding. So he uses some kind of cord. He sent me pictures. I swear it looks awful big, but he's making a net out of it. And then I got comments from Thailand, Portugal, Australia. I got some contacts in Hawaii and Belize and all over the place. And I want to thank. What I want to do is I want to thank everybody for the beautiful comments that we get, thanking us for what we're doing. For sharing our experience and information with them. Doesn't cost them anything. Gosh, we're pushing 60 videos now, I guess, Phil.
At least.
Yeah, we're getting close to 60 videos, and we're trying to get that message out to you. Contact us. If you have any trouble finding us, the phone number here is area code 904-217-7974. If you want to call you, the email address is plastered all over the website and the YouTube channels. But I want to thank some of the wonderful. I got a guy. His name is Brian Spooner. He's in North Dakota. I've got a 7-foot bait net I'm fixing to send to him, and he can't even use it. It's illegal where he's at in North Dakota. So I said, well, what in the world? I said, well, I guess you can hang it on you. He just found out, by the way. He waited till he'd done bought the net and it was finished before he found out he can't even use it. And anyway, he called me to tell me about this. And I said, well, wow. I said, I know people that buy these things and they hang them on the wall, He said, I just wanted to be part of your life. He said, I know that you're not going to be doing this a lot longer. And he said, I just wanted one of your nets. Say I've got one. So that's good. You love those kind of comments from strangers, people who you don't even know, that other than your contacts with emails or a phone call. But I get lots of really nice comments on the YouTube channels, and I appreciate that. And I wanted to spend just a minute just to thank everybody for this, and don't hesitate to contact us by either the phone or the emails if you need help. Anything I can help you with, and I don't know. It is rewarding, and we don't mind doing it. Phil, you got anything you want to add?
Nope, not right now.
Not right now. I guess I didn't want to take a lot of time with this morning, but I was glad I could show you that on that tie-in. And then thank you for all the wonderful comments and the support that you're giving us. And it means an awful lot, I can tell you. So, with that said, I guess we're going to wrap this up for today. And if you've got anything you want us to talk about, something we failed to cover, don't hesitate to let us know, because we can certainly do it, right, Philip?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. With that said, it's hot as dickens down here in northeast Florida, I can tell you. We just started to get a little rain. The rain's kind of on and off, but anyway, you guys, please take care of yourself, and I look to hear from you. Thank you.